What happened today in Panaji Smart City PIL matter?
The petitioner had moved one application stating that some new works have started in the city. Basically, there are three places at which the new work has started. One place is from Kakulo Mall up to Tadmad, that area. Thereafter, there is another stretch from Gita Bakery up to the police station. The third stretch is from Kakulo Circle to Santini Junction, that area. So in these areas, there is some work that is started, and we have made a statement before the High Court that by 20th of this month, as far as these three roads are concerned, they will be made motorable. At least that much we will achieve by 20th. And thereafter, as far as stretch from Kakulam Mall to STP is concerned, that area by 31st of March, the whole work will be completed. That is the stand which we have taken before the High Court. As far as traffic issues are concerned, pollution issues are concerned, we are supposed to file an affidavit by Monday, giving details what measures would be taken by the smart city to control pollution as well as to regulate the traffic. So the matter is fixed now on Monday before the High Court.
That means, sir, Smart City project will be completed by 31st March.
See, as far as entire smart city project is concerned, it will be completed by May of this year.